welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now if you are new, I would love you to stick around. So if you enjoy things like shopping, hauls, cleaning, baking, all that good stuff, then hit that little subscribe button down below and come join my family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, because that will tell you when I next upload. Now on to today's video. I'm not going to lie, I am super excited about today's video because I've had this little box here for about 2 weeks now, I want to say, but I wanted to do this video, show you guys, you know what I'm like on this channel, I love to save you guys money, and with this box you definitely save money. So what we're thinking about my background today, guys, I thought I'd go a little bit Halloweeny. I picked up this little pumpkin here from the pound shop, only £1. This is such a cute little pumpkin, one of the cutest little pumpkins I've ever seen. I had to pick him up. And you just put a little tea light candle in the bottom of it, but I absolutely love it. Now, we're not here for my background in my video, we're here for no other than this little guy here, which is the Glossybox. Now, if you don't know about Glossybox, Glossybox is something I subscribe to every single month. I pay £8.50 a month. I have actually done a video on this before. However, in my last video, I think I actually said I paid £8 and I got it wrong. It's £8.50 a month. Plus your postage and packaging. You get at least £50 worth of products in that. Now, I'm sorry, but you're paying £8.50 and you're getting over £50 worth of products in it. You can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. I'm going to go as far to say that actually Glossybox is probably one of my favourite. I don't think I've had one box when I haven't enjoyed any of the products in there. So believe me when I say it's so affordable and so worth it. So basically you get 5 products in each box. You don't know what you're going to get. It's a little surprise, which is quite nice. I like the fact that it's a little surprise. You don't know what you're going to get. Sometimes you forget that you're getting this little box and your postman knocks and you've got like a little box there waiting just for you. I absolutely love it. So it is Halloween time and Glossybox have brought out 2 boxes. Now they've brought out an angel box and they brought out a devil box, and I know what box I've got because I did have a little sneak peek of the box itself and I'm quite happy with the box I got. I think they must become a good girl. Little clue there. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Glossybox this month, then just keep watching. So when you receive your parcel, it comes in a box like this, and I'm going to have my name and my address and everything on there. So it comes in a box like this, and then you get the box inside. So Glossybox obviously thinks I'm a good girl because I got the angel box, which is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that box. That is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Normally their boxes are pink and they come with the little Glossybox logo on, but when it's a special occasion like the birthday box, I think you can see it here in the background, this is their birthday box and that is so beautiful. I love to display that box. I'm also going to display this one because this is just so nice. So you can get an angel box or a devil box, and I think the devil box is red. There's probably a picture in this box. So let's see what's in my Glossybox this month. So this is what it looks like inside. You get a beautiful little ribbon to hold everything in place, and right in the top of the box I can see their Christmas calendar. So this is their Christmas calendar. It is actually out now on their website. Now this has £370 worth of goods in it. Goods like Chloe, Tarte, NYX, you name it is in this little calendar, and I'm so excited about this because if you're a subscriber to Glossybox, you can get this, pick this up for £70. Now you're saving £300. I literally got no words. That is so good. And if you love Glossybox, you know you're going to love the stuff in this. This would make a really lovely gift for someone for Christmas. They could have it before Christmas and just open a little gift every single day until Christmas Day. I would absolutely love that. That would make my day and month and Christmas and everything. That is so lovely. See, when I say you're saving £300, I mean, I have no words. That is so good. I will leave a little link down below all about the Glossybox, so you can go and click on that and that will tell you all about the calendar. Glossybox subscription and everything. And this is what I was talking about the boxes. Now I have this one, and this one here is the devil one. So you can see, but this is the one I got this month. So this little leaflet tells you all about what you get in the actual box. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items of products in there. And again, just looking at this, they haven't disappointed me. I mean, I'm super excited to open this box now, what I've just seen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what's in my box, how much it costs and how much you're saving. I've literally just recorded this and realised it wasn't on record, so I'm going to do that again. So the first item in my box is this illuminating mask, holographic peel off mask, and look at that packaging. That is absolutely beautiful. I love that. This contains violet and jasmine extract. It's by the company Q Bella Professional, and this just looks so nice. I love a peel off mask. I love being able to put something on my skin and just being able to peel it off and you are good to go. So this I'm going to absolutely love, and I might even put this on tonight. Just pamper myself, you know, give yourself a little pamper. And this retails in at $2.49. Next item in my box, I am definitely having this tonight. Definitely having this tonight. And it is this luxury white hot chocolate. It says it's got a buttery sweet masterpiece guaranteed to put an angelic smile on your face. Ooh. This just sounds so nice. I've never actually tasted white hot chocolate, but again, look at that packaging. That is just beautiful. They literally make such an effort with all the packaging. They really do. This is by the company Whittard Chelsea. For this little 20 gram, it retails at £2, but for a full size of 350 grams, it retails at £8. So again, you're already making your money's worth. Next up, we've got this eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited about this eyeshadow palette because it has got neutral shades in it and shimmer shades, all the sort of colours that I always use. It looks like this. Those shades are absolutely stunning. I absolutely love these shimmery shades here. I love a little touch of shimmer on my eyeshadow. It just makes my eyes pop, and this is going to come in so handy. This is by the company Style London Velvet Touch, and the eyeshadow palette itself is called Angel, which I love that. I just think that is such a nice touch. Really? So this retails at £15. Have I got that right? Velvet Touch palette retails at £15. So you've made your money back on just one little tiny eyeshadow palette. I mean, what isn't there to love about Glossybox? Next up, we've got an eyeliner. I use liner every single day, and this is a crayon one, so I'm going to love this one. It's also in black, which is a colour that I always use. I was actually in need of a new eyeliner, so I am so glad I've got this in my box. I mean, if I knew 2 weeks ago, that would have been quite handy, to be fair, but oh, and it's pink. It's pink packaging. How cute. Like, the packaging itself is so nice. By a company called, is it Meko Beauty? This is Eye Define Crayon Liner, which is what I always go for. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it's one of those twisty ones, and it's so sharp. Look how sharp that is. So sharp. So that's going to give you a really defined look on your eyeliner. Let's have a little swatch on my hand. Oh yeah, look how straight that line is. Can you see it just under my tattoo here? It's such a lovely thin defined line. I love that, absolutely love it. And it doesn't smudge either. This is going to come in so handy when I do like the waterline in the top of my eye, because it's not going to smudge. So I am so happy about this one. This one retails in, at £15. I mean, I'm shocked. £15 and I've only paid £8.50, and I've already got 2 products there that are worth more than £8.50. So the fourth item in my box is this beautiful Angel Dust Foaming Bath Powder. Again, the packaging is so beautiful and I cannot wait to get this into my bath. I'm going to open it up and see what it smells like. It says it's a foaming bath powder, a heavenly treat. After a long day, fill your tub with a shimmery halo of foaming bath powder. Allow the heavenly scent to soothe your body and mind. That makes me just want to go and turn my bath on right now. I'm not going to lie. Oh, that is so nice. I literally cannot wait to have a bath tonight. That retails in at $4.99 for and that is a full size, and it retails at $4.99. Next up we have a lip product. This is a lip crayon. I'm not going to lie, it looks a little bit light for me, but somebody else in my family might like it. You never know. So it's not wasted. It will go to a good cause. So this little lip product here is by the company Lord & Berry. This is called Angel Pink. That's such a nice name. I love it. Such a pretty pink colour, but it's not, it looks a bit too light. Let me swatch it. Yeah, that's really light. Like, that's like a bubblegum pink. It's not really coming up that pink on camera, but it's literally like a bubblegum pink. It's not my sort of colour, but someone in my family will have it. My sister has blonde hair, blue eyes and very pale skin, and I know that's going to suit her and she'll love it. This one retails in at, no way. So this one retails in at £15. I'm just speechless. Glossybox have outdone themselves this month. They really have some amazing products. So just before I go, I just want to show you on the back of this little leaflet, it gives you a little sneak peek of what's to come in next month's box. And in next month's box, looks like you get hydrating mist, and ooh, that looks nice. It says it comes in a bronzed glow, and I'm all about the glow. All about the glow. Oh, I can't wait for that box. And that comes in November. So that is everything I got in Glossybox. And again, I am not disappointed. I absolutely love every single product that's in there. You just can't go wrong with Glossybox. They are just amazing. I have no words. I will leave the link in my description box down below. So go ahead, click on that. Thanks for watching my video today. Please comment, like and subscribe, and leave some little comments. What was your favourite product in Glossybox this month? And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.